had dreams. Two of them. Both had my father in them. It's peculiar. I'm older now than he ever was, by 20 years. So, in a sense, he's the younger man. Anyway, the first one I don't remember too well, but it was about meeting him in town somewhere, and he gave me some money. I think I lost it. The second one, it was like we was both in older times, and I was on horseback going through the mountains of night. You know, going through this pass in the mountains. It was cold, and there was snow on the ground. And he rode past me and kept on going. Never said nothing. Going by, just rode on past. And he had this blanket wrapped around him and his head down. When he rode past, I seen he was carrying fire in a horn, the way people used to do. And I could see the horn from the light inside of it, about the color of the moon. And in the dream, I knew that he was going on ahead, and he was fixing to make a fire somewhere out there, and all that dark, all that cold. And I knew that whenever I got there, he'd be there. And then I woke up.